Now, moving forward with questions 12 to 15, we're going to go over the allocation to different departments. Now, I'm going to read the problem first. The Whole House Life Insurance Company has two service departments, actuarial, premium rating, and two production departments, marketing and sales. The distribution of each service department's efforts to other departments is shown below. S1 is actuarial, S2 is premium. And the direct operating cost of the departments, including both variable and fixed costs, were as follows. And we see what the numbers are here. And the first question asked, what's the total cost accumulated in the marketing department using the direct method? Okay? So now, I just want to go over first a quick review on allocation to departments and what we've been doing here. So as you remember in the chapter when we went over this, and in the models in your businesses when you went over this, the idea here is that we want to allocate costs to departments. And this includes direct operating costs, variable, fixed costs. Those you see already given to you below. These actuarial 96, premium rating 18, marketing 72, that's already given to you in this problem. So the question is now, how are we going to allocate it using different methods? What are we going to do? So as we studied in the chapter, in the model and lecture, what we're going to do here with the direct method, we have two things going on. One, whatever cost we have in the department, for example, marketing, it says $72,000. That is our base cost for marketing. So that's already in there. Those are the operating costs, both variable and fixed, that are in marketing already. In sales, it says we have $48,000. That's $48,000 that's already in sales. This is the base cost. It's variable and fixed costs that are already in there. Now, our job here is to allocate from service departments to production departments. Why do we do that? Because we want to know the cost of the actual product. Service departments don't make money, production departments do. So we just want to allocate all the costs eventually to products so that we know what the profit is. So right now with this question, just to look at it first, it's asking us, using the direct method, how much of an allocation would we have? So just going over this reciprocal, direct, whatever it is, they're asking us how to allocate the actuarial and the premium over to the marketing and sales. And that's the idea that we have here, is how do we do that? How do we look at the different methods of doing that? And what drives that is these percentages here. What we have marketing says is using 15% of actuarial. It says sales is using 15% of actuarial. And then it says marketing is using 25% of premium. And sales is using 50% of premium. So our job is to figure out, okay, how much are these two departments utilizing the actuarial and the premium department? And the direct and the reciprocal method both look at it a little bit differently. But the idea is that with the direct method, we just look, hey, listen, actuarial S1 is all going to end up in marketing and sales. So actuarial's 96 grand is all going to end up in marketing and sales. So I just want to look, are they using it equally? Is one using it more than the other? Here it looks like they're using it equally. They're each using 15%. Something to keep in mind for the next question. Now, marketing and sales, for direct method, I'm seeing, listen, marketing is using less than sales. Sales is using almost like double than marketing. So for premium, I'm going to look to allocate accordingly because I see, hey, sales is actually using it quite a bit more than marketing. And again, direct method, I only care about the allocation between the two production departments.